Chapter 6, Scavenger Hunt. Systematic instruction in which of the following has been found to create more efficient spellers? Sound segmentation, sound syllable association, spelling patterns. The answer is all of the above. What can be said about the relationship among reading, writing, and spelling? The answer is development in spelling generally coincides with advances in both reading and writing. Question 3. What is the name of the initial stage of spelling development that occurs at about the time the child learns the alphabet and discovers the words are composed of letters? The answer, the pre-communicative stage. Number 4. When children have become aware of the left to right orientation of the English language and understand the alphabetic principle, we can say that they are in which stage of developmental spelling? The pre-phonetic or the pre-literate stage. Number 5. Which of the following is the best definition of a spelling consciousness? An ability to tell if a spelled out word looks right. Number 6. Why is encouraging children to use experimental spelling a positive practice for beginning readers? The answers are all of the above. Observations of experimental spellings can tell teachers a good deal about the child's knowledge of sound spelling relationships. Attempting to sound out words offers the child important opportunities to experiment with sound spelling relationships. Coupling experimentation with systematic instruction in the visual patterns of our language will help children to learn to spell correctly. Question 7. Which of the following statements best describes an efficient spelling program for early literacy? And the answer, a program in which teachers help children explore and understand the patterns and useful generalizations about the relationships within and between words. Question 8. Which of the following is a true statement regarding the efficient spelling program? Answer. Whenever possible, children should be involved in spelling the same words they are learning to read. Question 9. Which of the following is an appropriate activity for children at the early phonetic, early letter name stage of spelling development? Answer. Word building. Question 10. Which of the following is a good reason for using contract spelling with advanced spellers? The answer is all of the above. Children who select their own words have an investment in their own learning. If chosen from their writing needs, children see the purpose of their spelling lists. The motivation to succeed is heightened. Which of the following is not a viable source for a meaningful spelling list? Answer. Words that children find easy to memorize. Fill in the blank question 1. According to recent research, children's writing is also supported by proficiency in spelling. Question 2. The matching of letters and letter combinations with sounds is called sound mapping or sound symbol. Question 3. Word hunts, word building activities, and labeling pictures are all good activities to use at the early phonetic, early letter name stage to reinforce sound symbol correspondence. Question 4. If children can tell if a word they have spelled looks right, we say that child has developed a spelling consciousness. Question 5. When children have mastered the basic principles of English orthography, we say they have arrived at the conventional stage. 6. In general, children are consistent in their use of patterns they devise in their experimental spelling. 7. With guidance, children will soon discover that all 44 or so phonemes in the English language can be represented by letters or groups of letters. 8. In order to write their words in context, children must be taught a strategy for what to do when they cannot spell a word. 9. When children are going around the room searching for a word that contains a sound or letter and pattern that has just been studied, they are engaging in word hunts. What is the explanation you would offer to a mother of a kindergarten who wonders why you allow her child to misspell so many words. Experimenting with words helps them understand and explore the words through problem solving. The 6 concepts that can be derived from observing children's experimental spelling are: number 1, helping with long vowels; 2, words with consonant blends; 3, difference between D and T, their sounds; working on the first consonant pairs blended in a word; understanding the final letter and tense of a word; and consistent in use of the pattern while experimenting.